From egg to adult, the life cycle of a mosquito is fascinating and complex. Let's explore how these tiny insects grow and develop. It all starts with a female mosquito. After feeding on blood, she lays her eggs on the surface of stagnant water. A single mosquito can lay up to 200 eggs at a time. The eggs, often laid in clusters called rafts, float on the water's surface. In warm conditions, they hatch in just a couple of days. From each egg emerges a tiny larva, often called a wriggler. These larvae live in water, feeding on organic matter and microorganisms. Larvae spend their time swimming, feeding, and growing. They go through 4 molts, shedding their skin as they increase in size. After the 4th molt, the larvae become pupae, also known as tumblers. Unlike the active larvae, pupae don't feed. Instead, they float near the water's surface, preparing for their final transformation. Inside the pupa, a miraculous transformation occurs. The mosquito's body begins to take shape, with wings, legs, and antennae developing. This process typically takes a couple of days. Once fully developed, the adult mosquito breaks free from the pupal case, carefully emerging onto the surface of the water. It rests for a moment, allowing its wings to dry and harden before taking flight. Shortly after emerging, mosquitoes seek out a mate. Males often form swarms, and once mating occurs, the cycle of life is ready to begin again. After mating, the female mosquito needs a blood meal to nourish her developing eggs. She uses her specialized mouthparts to pierce the skin and feed on blood, which provides the nutrients required for egg production. And so, the cycle continues. From water to air and back again, the life cycle of a mosquito is a remarkable process of transformation and survival. Curious about more life cycles? Subscribe to Curious Minds for more fascinating stories. Each scene highlights a specific stage of the life cycle with a focus on the transformation from egg to adult mosquito. Hit the subscribe button for more.